Depositing money on Weebly is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your online store effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Access your Weebly account by entering your credentials on the Weebly website. Make sure you are logged into the correct account associated with your online store. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. This is where you can manage your website settings, including payment options. Look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payments. This section allows you to manage how you receive payments from customers. Review the available payment processors and choose the one that suits your needs. Step 4. Set up your payment processor. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen payment processor, such as PayPal or Square. You may need to enter your account information or create a new account if you don't have one. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Test your payment setup. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily deposit money on Weebly and manage your online store effectively. If you encounter any issues, consult Weebly's support resources for further assistance.